our second video for this week. Make money online from blogging. Start a business without startup money or low-cost startup. Let's start. What is a blog? A blog is a short word for the weblog. It is a website with information about a specific topic. It could be about fashion, food, travel, music, lifestyle, fitness, DIY, politics, and sports. It can be maintained by a writer or a group of writers, wherein they give their personal opinions, experiences, and observations. It contains texts, images, videos, and links to other websites. So, do you have computer? Internet access? Coffee? Crazy ideas? Are you ready to write? Share personal life? Use social media for hours? Get comments for compliments? Be internet famous? Make some money? If your answer to these questions is yes, then you should keep watching. Before we continue, find out some cool stuff today. Visit this link below. Always remember to like, subscribe and share it to people you know who needs to hear this. And we're back. So, how do we start? No worries. We got you. Ready? Let's start. First, identify your niche. A niche is a specific topic you'll write about on your blog. These could be travel, food, fashion, entrepreneurship, money and power. Second, name your blog. Choosing a blog name is crucial. It will affect the success rate of your future earnings. Here's 7 rules for marketing-friendly new business startup name. Easy to spell, say here and remember. Has no existing associates that could confuse. Avoid trademark infringement. Either suggests what the company does. The .com site and major social accounts are owned by you. Bios is too brandable, keyword-rich, generic. Has very few or no Google search results. Third, choose your blogging platform. You have 2 options: paid or the unpaid blogging platform. If you choose the unpaid, such as WordPress, which has paid subscription to Blogger, Medium, Tumblr, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook, there will be limitations when it comes to functionality and managing ads for income. On the other hand, opportunities from paid blogging platforms are better. You will have your own domain or URL where it comes free when you subscribe from a web hosting company. To name a few: GoDaddy, Namecheap, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and one. 4. Create a content and share. What is content? By definition, it is the information you provide to your reader or audience. It can be in the form of writing, video, audio, and images. It is distributed through the internet, radio, phones, magazines, and events. You have to choose the type of content you have to offer. And the most important question is, how to make money online with your blog. The sooner you gain traffic, visitors, readers and followers, the quicker you make money from your blog. You can monetize through these in 2 ways. These are selling ad space and selling products or services. For selling ad space, we have 3. Programmatic advertising. It is the best way to sell ads for bloggers with new blogs. It requires fewer investments since it is automated. Affiliate marketing. It is the fastest way to start making money out of your blog. Join the affiliate networks. These are ClickBank, Amazon Associates, Maxous. Comply with the minimum requirements and gain profits from either clicks, leads, or sales. Selling ad space directly. Blog owners promote the retailer's product or service. Pricing and payment conditions controlled by the blog owner. It provides a stable stream of income. Now for selling products or services. You can sell e-books, online courses, software, and physical products. An income-generating blog is a result of hard work, patience, and creativity. So keep blogging. Consistency is the king. We are glad to see you this far. If you are interested for more business ideas, we have one especially for you. Check this website now. Thank you so much for always supporting us. See you to our another learning episode.